Ever wondered about the incredible human brain? Let's take a journey into its fascinating world. Did you know that this amazing organ weighs about 3 pounds, yet it's an energy powerhouse, consuming around 20% of your body's energy? Quite the workload for something so compact. What's intriguing is that the human brain isn't fully developed until our late 20s, which might explain some of those adventurous or occasionally reckless behaviors in our younger years. It's like our brains are still under construction during that time. Despite our occasional forgetfulness, the brain's storage capacity is virtually limitless. It's like having a vast library where memories, facts, and experiences are stored, ready for retrieval at any moment. Contrary to the myth, we're not just tapping into a fraction of our brain's potential. Every part of it is hard at work, each with its unique and crucial function. It's like a team where everyone has their role to play. Speaking of downtime, sleep isn't just a break from the day. It's when the brain does some serious housekeeping, clearing out toxins and rejuvenating itself. A good night's sleep isn't just a luxury, it's essential for a healthier brain. The brain's neurons can make over 1 million new connections every second. That's a mind-blowing rate of information processing. Plus, your brain processes information faster than the blink of an eye. If these brainy discoveries have sparked your curiosity, why not hit that like button, share, and subscribe? We've got more incredible insights lined up.